talking about double sticking hands, which is going to add some stepping to it. Okay. Jay, just start off here. Okay, we're just going to do some double sticking hands first. Nice and relaxed, okay? Remember, focus all your energy straight towards this center line. So the elbow and the fingers go straight to my center line. Same with this side here too. Elbow and fingers, okay? So if I move my hand a little bit, the whole body comes forward, okay? And it's not a pushing force too, it's not leading towards me, okay? You lock all that together and this whole part comes towards the other person. Okay, so make sure you get that done first. Okay, so what we have to do, always maintain your rolling. Okay, roll, 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 roll. Okay, so when I take a step towards him, he's going to, or actually you take a step towards me, just a little bit slower. I'm going to hold as much as I can, and if I can't hold it anymore, I take a step backwards. Same thing, I take a step towards Jay, and once he can't hold it anymore, he's going to go backwards, okay? Take one step back. But what you have to do is maintain that rolling. Okay? And don't forget to square up. Don't leave your feet, one foot forward, one foot back. Okay, so Jay, take a step towards me. Okay, I take a step towards him. Thing to watch out for, or things to watch out for, is straight back, okay? As you're coming back, don't lean backwards. Okay, keep your back nice and straight. As he comes towards you, take one step back, with the back nice and straight. I'm the same. Okay, Mel, take you and Jay, here we go. Okay, remember to make sure your rolling is done properly first. Relax completely, that's it. Try and relax it completely. And work on your left and the right side too. So left and the right side. You take a step towards each other. Take a step towards me. Maintain rolling. And I'm going to take 2 steps forward if I like. Now remember, maintain the wrist contact. Always maintaining the wrist contact. Lazy bonsai. The lazy bonsai is just a bonsai that's gone like that. You've got to get it water out. Still got to relax this.